Hey guys, so today I am going to get lip fillers. I know I have pretty full lips, but I just wanted something a little more. Please excuse my face. I am still pilling from my TCA pill, so I look kind of crazy, and since I am still pilling from my TCA pill, I can't wax my eyebrows or anything else, so I look just extra crazy right now, but I just want y'all to see what I look like before, when I'm talking, before I get the lip fillers, and we're fixing to head that way. So I just wanted to mention, I know I said I had full lips already, but if you look at this side view, I want them to just pop out a little bit more. Like, I do have pretty full lips, and I just want this to be like lifted a little bit, kind of like, I don't know, not bigger, but I want them to just be lifted to where they're like actually pushing out instead of like just normally flat. And like right here, I want this to be popped out just a little bit more. Like, I'm gonna get very, very little. I'm not gonna get all crazy like Kylie Jenner and get like super big ones, because like I said, I already have pretty full lips. I just want them to like side view, like when I'm talking like this, for this part to be plumped out just a little bit. And here they're just taking my before and after pictures that will be posted on their app for me and others to see. So this machine kind of reads what's wrong with your skin, like how many fine lines you have, dark spots, sun damage, and things like that, which I thought was pretty cool and can be useful for some people.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's gonna be inside, like inside your gums. Okay. Just relax your mouth, just kind of open. Okay, perfect.
Excuse me if you can hear my son in the background. He's playing, but here I was just telling her how I held my breath because that's what I do when I'm in pain. And this bottom one really hurt. Like, I felt it in my jawbone. I think in total she gave me about 6 or 8 shots of lidocaine throughout my mouth.
This is the cannula. So it's actually.
What the fuck did I get myself into? I'm sorry.
It's not too late.
It is. There's no going back now.
Okay. All right. You want to hold her hand or anything?
Yeah, hold my hand.
Okay. Okay.
I'm not sure if you can see it at all, but sometimes I did jump, not because it was painful, but because you can literally hear the different layers of skin that she's popping through.
I'm not done with the Cupid's bow, but and a little bit of that is swelling. But just before, the swelling is going to get a lot worse before it goes back down. I want you to just get an idea of it.
Okay.
Okay. We're still going to bring that Cupid's bow down.
Okay. Ellie was really good about giving me a mirror and kind of talking me through what she was doing, what her thoughts were, and then asking me my thoughts. Just that way I was getting exactly what I wanted. And I really appreciated that from her as well. My cousin did almost faint towards the end right here, but thankfully this was the last bit before I was done. Does anyone else love taking their hair down from a hair tie? Like, just that relaxing feeling just of it going down feels amazing. If you do not know me, I am deathly terrified of needles. I thought my appendix busted and I refused to go to the hospital because they were gonna give me, put an IV in me. That's how scared I am of needles. I'm getting nervous just talking about it. Every time I have to get a shot from the doctor, I literally start crying. I have a very high pain tolerance. I have 3 tattoos, but it's just something different about needles going deep inside that scare me to death. So I laid down and she tells me that they're going to, I thought maybe it was going to be like a jelly, like a numbing jelly or something like that going around my lips, so that way they can do, like, I've seen where they do like needles going in and out, like, you know, little injection sites. No, this one was different. She tells me that they're going to inject lidocaine. If you've had lidocaine, you know this hurts. Before she started, she asked me, are you ready? And I said, you know, this side's not numb. I don't really feel like I can feel everything still. And that's why in one part you see me kind of laugh, and I'm like laughing like one side's higher than the other because this side didn't numb. She gave me the option to do more lidocaine, and I told her no, that it was fine, just to go ahead and get started. And so what she did was, when you go in with the cannulus, it's just like an IV. They have to stick one of those needles into you to make a injection site, and then they'll put the cannulus through. And yes, it hurt, but it wasn't like, oh my god, like I'm fixing to die hurt or anything like that. It was like, okay, just breathe, you'll be okay, just breathe. Like, I can't compare it to anything at all, but I mean, it hurt, but it didn't hurt. Now the product also has lidocaine in it, so as she's going in and out and injecting the product, it's also numbing even more, which thank God, because I mean, when you put anything extra in your body, like, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt regardless. I wish going in there I would have told her that my main focus was the top lip and I wanted it to be even. I didn't quite explain that right when I went in there. I was just like, you know, I wanted more of a full depth, like I just wanted it to be full and luscious and popping out. I should have told her that I wanted it equal to my bottom lip and I wanted it to like pop out. So we could have not touched my bottom lip and I would have been fine with that. One thing I did ask though was, when girls get their lips done, sometimes you see these bumps on the inside of their mouth when they talk. And I was like, I can't have that because that's a dead giveaway that you have lip injections and I don't want to look unnatural. Well, guys, do you, so it's kind of like, I have like a bump right here. It's been 2.5 weeks since I got it done and I still have like a bump right here. I have have one right here. And it's gone down a lot. No, oh, here it is right here. It's gone down a lot. I don't want to show y'all because I don't think you can see it. But either way, I'm not going to show y'all. So I started to get these bumps right here. Let me see if you can see this one. A little bit. So I had to pause it real quick to show you the little bump that I was talking about. Here. And I got a bump right here. And I got a little bit right here. I didn't get any on this side. But these bumps felt like it was coming out my skin almost. Or trying to come out my skin. And I know my body wasn't rejecting it or anything, so I thought, I didn't know if this was normal. I know she said that if I feel any lumps, that it's normal. It's a process for it to, you know, spread out. So I wasn't too worried about it. And she just explained to me that it just happens, you know, it's still dispersing. There's still some swelling because it does take a while for swelling to go down when you inject something extra into your body. So she gave me some suggestions and stuff to do at home. I have done it a little bit. It's helped a little bit. I do have an appointment in about another week, so that way they can just check my lips again. The bumps are gone. I still think that I need a little bit in the middle, like the bottom middle, because these, like, sometimes when I talk and there's certain things that I say, you'll see like the lump right here, and I don't know how to do, I don't know how to do it, but some faces that I make, here, you can see the little, like, bump, and I feel like I kind of have one like here, and that's the things that I didn't want. Like, I didn't want those, like, little bumps on the side from, like, because that's a dead giveaway that you have lip injections. When I see that on girls, I'm like, you have 2 bumps right here and there's nothing right here, those are lip injections. But I think once it's all pushed and massaged in, maybe, you know, those bumps will go away. If not, I do need to have her fill some in right here. And during the checkup, if I do feel like I need anything extra filled in, then they'll go ahead and fill it in. If I feel like anything's uneven, they feel like anything's uneven, they'll go ahead and go in and even it out. And honestly, I'm pretty happy with the size, but I'm not happy with the shape. So we'll see how that goes in my next checkup. And before I go, I just want to say thank you so much to my friend who bought this for me as a birthday gift. I honestly, like, I would have never got this for myself. I have a kid, and honestly, I can't spend that type of money on myself because it just goes through my head like, oh, all the stuff that I could have bought for my son with that money. And I feel bad, I feel selfish, and I won't do it. So my friend was so awesome to buy this for me. I love them, and I cannot thank that person enough for my birthday gift. This is probably one of the best birthday gifts that I've ever had, and thank you. Well, thank y'all for watching. Please like the video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to know anytime I upload a new video. If you have any future requests on videos you would like for me to do, just go ahead and leave that in the comments as well. And I will definitely be getting back to y'all. Thank y'all so much. Y'all have a great day.